had a bench trial in this case. And I'll just put on the record, I am going to permit, and an order is going to be prepared that will allow contact with the alleged victims in this case, pursuant to a CPS plan. There'll be an order coming over, and I will then sign off on the order.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. We'll see you on the 18th. Thank you, sir. Court calls the case People versus Kendra Weathers.
Trevor Mabel for the people, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein for Ms. Weathers.
This was our other case, wasn't it?
I think there was a co-defendant earlier.
Yes. We set that for exam on.
It was a PCC for September 18th.
Really?
No.
It was an exam.
Oh,
The one with me and Mr. Bernstein has the exam.
This one's not.
No, this is the PCC RNL where Mr. Brown mysteriously has no discovery for some weird reason. And
Wow.
no reason, because the GIS, he doesn't have anything. It's very strange.
Yes. Well, not really.
I've never had JAS, but I do have the discovery, Your Honor. I just need time to read it.
Okay.
Co-defendant Hunter was set for PCC on 9/18.
Thank you, sir. Probable cause conference, 9/18, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
See, where are they?
I'm right here.
Or what? Okay, state your name, please. I'm sorry.
Leander Weathers.
All right. All right, very good. Thank you. So we got the 18th. All right. Thank you. Court does call the case People versus Jamison Napier.
For that is with people?
And Wilson Tanner appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Napier, who's approaching to my right.
Your name, sir?
Jameson Napier.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, we recently discovered more witnesses, one of them whom the police had attempted to talk to but hadn't, and there's apparently were more witnesses at the scene. I'm trying to contact them. I asked for one of them I was able to talk to yesterday for a few seconds when he was getting on a plane, and we'll be back next week. I'd like some more time to do that. I think the prosecutor has asked me for information regarding that as well, and I'm trying to gather that.
So you need an adjournment to talk to witnesses?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
You have a green sheet prepared?
I don't.
Need that filled out, but I'll adjourn it out to September 18th, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates, bond will continue.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Yeah, my client has a new address. May I just drop that at the clerk's office? And
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Could you wait for the green sheet so I can sign off? Court does call the case People versus Trista Benitez.
People, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Roland Sizemore appearing with and on behalf of Trista Benitez via Zoom with no objection.
Ma'am, can you state your name?
Yes, Trista Benitez.
All right. Everybody here said, look what the cat dragged in when we saw you, Mr. Sizemore. Hello, sir. It's been a while.
Pleasure to see you again, Your Honor.
All right. What are we doing on this?
Your Honor, Mr. Mabel and I have had some conversations which I believe will be fruitful. There's also some additional body cam recordings I've requested from him. I'm asking for an adjournment, please.
All right.
That's true, Your Honor.
All right. Will the 18th work for you, sir?
It does not. Would the 11th please be available for the court?
Yeah, that's going to be a day.
I'm happy to go to the 25th.
Do you have any problem with that, counsel?
No, sir.
All right. I mean, I'd like to see you sooner than later, but I know what that day is going to be, kind of, so far. So, September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. All right? Thank you, sir.
Good to see you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Court does call the case. People versus Nolan Hearns.
Good afternoon again, Your Honor. James Fifelski on behalf of Nolan Hearns. Can you please state your name?
Nolan Hearns.
Honor, at this point, I believe discovery is complete. We would ask the court to set this for preliminary examination.
People have their witnesses available tonight.
Your Honor, sorry to do this again, but I will be in a jury trial in front of Judge Perry that day.
16th.
can make that work, Your Honor. Thank you.
Preliminary examination, September 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Washington.
Okay, just put that date on your calendar.
That's in person. Bond will continue.
I'll give you a call. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls case People versus Michael Siegel.
And then now we have the school, Your Honor.
And James Fifelski appearing on behalf of Michael Siegel, who's approaching. Please state your name.
Michael Anthony Siegel.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, this is our first probable cause conference. I am asking for an adjournment to obtain some other discovery. It may take a while. This is a case where I think phone records are going to be really important. So I'm asking for an adjournment of the probable cause conference for that to take place.
September 25th, 2025.
That'd be perfect.
And bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Anthony Watson.
Trevor Maybell for the people, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please the Honorable Court, David Burgess on behalf of Anthony Watson.
Your name?
Anthony Watson, sir.
All right. You're requesting an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor.
No objection.
September 18th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Court does call the case People versus Michael Laster.
Trevor Maybell for the people, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Always a pleasure to see you. Robert Ellman with and on behalf of Mr. Laster, who's approaching. Mr. Laster, can you please state your name for the record?
Michael Laster.
Thank you.
Your Honor, you should have a green sheet
I
in your
do.
file there. I know the people and I have already begun fruitful conversations. We're hoping to reach a resolution of this matter, but we needed some more time to iron that out. So I'd be asking for an adjournment.
September 18th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Or as your invite indicates, bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court does call the case of the People versus Manuel Vera.
Trevor Maybell for the people, Your Honor.
Good, Your Honor. Christisto on behalf of with Manuel Vieira. Hello, sir. Manuel Vera.
Thank you. He's waving.
Your Honor, he's waiving his right to a preliminary exam.
All right. Sir, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them?
Yes, sir.
You understand you'll not have that hearing and you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution?
Yes, sir.
People also waive their right.
Yes, sir.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on all three counts.
Your Honor, my client will waive a formal reading of the circuit court complaint and stand muted.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
October 22nd at 1:30 with Judge Conlon.
October 22nd, 2025, 1:30 before Judge Conlon. Bond will continue.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court does call the case of the People versus Theodore Edwards.
Jennifer Douglas for the people.
David I. Goldstein, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Your name, sir.
Theodore Edwards. Okay. Requesting an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor, Douglas and I have discussed the matter. We need some more time to work out some
For the
details.
18th work with.
Judge, I prefer the 25th, if that's okay.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference, September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Rashad Ahmad.
Jennifer, we have for the people, Your Honor.
Ready, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Hassam Al-Qudsi on behalf of the defendant.
Rashad Ahmad. I have a plea form in front of me that indicates that the defendant is going to be pleading guilty to attempted interfering with electronic communications. That's a 1-year misdemeanor. That's a count 3. Upon a successful plea to that charge, counts 1 and 2 would be dismissed. The defendant is also agreeing to pay full restitution, and there's a sentence agreement, although the court, I cannot bind the sentencing judge. In this case, there's an agreement to no upfront jail on me. The prosecutor and defendants are agreeing to that.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
And have him sworn.
Raise your right hand.
You solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
State your name.
Shad Ahmed.
Sir, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of attempted interfering with electronic communications. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand also, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Washington in the 14B District Court.
Yes, sir.
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
Sorry?
Do you still wish to plead guilty to this charge?
Your Honor, may I say something? Just something happened. Just the victim is here. Just want to let you know.
Okay.
And may I approach, Your Honor?
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that.
All right, sir, understanding the maximum penalties in this case, do you still wish to plead guilty to this charge?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
You signed an advice of rights form. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question regarding those rights?
No, sir.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, sir.
Has anybody threatened you or coerced you in any way?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
And also because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes, sir.
July 8, 2025, at the location of 1480 Parkwood Avenue, Ypsilanti Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What did you do what did you do that makes you think that you're guilty of the offense of attempted interference?
May I form the question, Your Honor? I'm sorry. Did you text her? You put a daughter via Zelle and text her? Did you do that?
After the court, you mean?
No. The judge is asking you, did you text her? Did you text her, send a text message via Zelle?
Yeah. Yes, I did.
I don't know how that.
It's like, it was send money, it's not text.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
How does that? I don't know how I get to the charge.
It's the only electronic device that he attempted to do. He was texting her, giving her a dollar through Zelle so he can text her a message.
Sir, I'm just saying, whatever is being said to me doesn't sound like the offense.
Mr. Ahmad, on that date, were you with a Kimberly Chavaria?
He doesn't understand. Who is this Kimberly? He's saying he doesn't understand. Kimberly?
Yeah, he is somehow.
Yeah. She's asking you, you were with her on that date?
Yeah.
Okay.
And on that date, did she try to contact 911?
Yeah.
And did you take the phone from her?
No, I didn't take the phone because she didn't try with the phone. She did try with Alexa.
Did you tell Alexa to stop calling 911?
Because Alexa said just one time, because Alexa said she can't call 111 and start talking something else. That's why I stopped Alexa, because Alexa didn't, like, how we can say.
So you stopped Alexa from calling 911?
And not for calling 911. Alexa, after she called 911 and Alexa, it doesn't work for call 911. And they start talking, like, you know.
Did you take her phone from her at some point?
No.
All right. Well, I can't accept the plea. I don't have a factual basis.
Your Honor, so we do a preliminary exam? Your Honor, right?
Okay, there will be a preliminary exam set. I will assume that all discovery is complete.
Oh, no, there was.
I will assume.
Your Honor, there was no
Can't
discovery.
accept a plea. Pardon?
There was no discovery. We didn't get any documents, police report and anything. Because at that time, we thought that we have
Well, why am I taking a plea if there's no, this doesn't even make any sense. What?
Yeah, in my file, discovery is tendered. You've sent over the media as well as the 911 call has been uploaded.
I never received it, Your Honor, 100%.
Was it sent to him? He's been the only attorney on the case, so.
There was another attorney before me, Your Honor. It was a public defender.
Did you get the discovery from the public defender?
No, Your Honor.
Why not?
Because at that time, we have a deal that's
For Pete's sakes.
Your Honor, I believe we sent discovery to both the public defender. I believe Ms. Stephen was also on this case prior, and discovery was also sent to her.
And you're saying from neither prior attorney did you get discovery?
No, Your Honor.
Can you send it to him now? Because I'm setting this for exam. I'm not playing around with this anymore. Send a discovery to them. This will be sent for preliminary examination in person, September 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before me. I'm going to quit playing games. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case, People versus Marcia Shaquan.
Morning, Your Honor, or good afternoon, excuse me.
G, thank you. I'm actually called for the people.
My apologies. Good afternoon, Your Honor. O'Dave Merway, P76-460, standing in for attorney of record Zachary Hallman on behalf of Marcia G. Say your name for the record.
Marcia G. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Maybe not. Getting like.
It's been a long week, Judge, probably for you too. We're just asking for discovery.
I've been back 2 days. Yes, but it's been long. Go ahead.
You were on vacation, Judge?
Well, that's what they call it. Okay, yeah.
I know how that goes. We're just asking for discovery, Judge. That 9/25 date sounded pretty good, but
yeah, but
my partner Zach just wants to talk to the prosecutor, and he wants to review the discovery with Ms. G. Promise you.
Any objection to going to? I would set this for the 18th. Any objection going to the 20th?
Oh, 18th is fine too, Judge. That's
Whatever pleases defense counsel in the court is fine.
No, the 18th is fine, Judge.
That she's never ever said that, ever.
Well, I appreciate it.
I want a transcript. Probable cause conference will be adjourned to the 25th.
Oh, thank you, Judge. I appreciate it. I thought you'd be too much.
9 a.m. The bond will continue. No, take care. Bye. They just turned and left. I didn't even continue bond. They just started walking out. They didn't even care.
They have enough.
Oh, we continue. We love it, Judge. Thanks so much.
What the heck? I didn't even know what that was. What was it? Court calls the case, People versus Rita, is it Giddick?
Ashley Feltus for the people.
Oh, boy.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Steve Tremonti with and on behalf of Dr. Rita Giddick on all three matters. Dr. Giddick, could you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Dr. Rita Giddick.
Okay. And this is a waiver?
Yes, Your
On
Honor.
all cases? Just make sure they all seem. And you're going to waive your right to a preliminary examination in all three cases?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understand that a preliminary examination is a proceeding where the people have to show by the standard of probable cause that the offense was committed and that you committed it.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand you will not have that hearing and you'll proceed to circuit court.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. People also waive their right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on a single count in all three cases.
Thank you, Your Honor. And as to the information, we'll waive its formal reading and stand mute.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set
October 21st at 1:30 with Judge Cedric.
October 21st, 2025, 1:30 before Judge Cunk.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bond. Will
Are we done?
Good seeing you.
May I leave the podium?
Yes. Thank you. Good seeing you again.
You too.
What is this?
That's a recall. I can confirm that Mr. Jolly went forward, but I do not yet.
That's a recall that has to go into the last block. All right. I've got one more block left. Now 5 cases. I'm going to take a brief break and I will come back. And this 190 case day will be done. Court's going to stand in.
All right.